charms and flair. S is for snake, slithering slow. T is for tiger, ready to go. U is for umbrella when there's rain. V is for violin, playing again. W is for whale, big and blue. X is for X-ray, peeking through. Y is for yacht, sailing the sea. Z is for zebra, stripy and free. Now we've sung from A to Z. Learning is fun for you and me.